Catch a screw and then I push it back in place. Check again for plumb. This one is plumb where she is. That one needs to be plumb, so we're just gonna catch a screw here, put our level. While we have our level, we just shove him over. Beautiful. So what I did, I push it past where we need it to be. So once you release it, it go right back in place. Putting 3 screws in here. Okay guys, so this is where we're at now. So if you look, you see that our deck is 100% level. Now we're gonna start to install our post. 4x4 in here, and right here we use a 2x8. Back it up there. This is how we're gonna do all of them. So you see it's nice and plumb over here as well. This thing is not installed until you bang it down till it's flush with the wood. Bang it all the way in. Okay, so we're on our string line here. String line over there, as you see, my level is plumb where she is. The line is just a fraction away from my post, just like that. Over here is plumb. Okay, my peeps. So now we're gonna install decking. I'm gonna start with my first board. Just gonna make my first cut right out here now. Go pretty close. 1/4 inch space for contract. So it seems like it's gonna be raining, guys. So I've made my cut. I'll just check to see if it's fit. Remember, each time we make a cut, we wanna go ahead and use our cut and seal. So what I'm doing here, I'm just catching like 1 and 2, and afterwards I'm gonna come back. Can use my